we have a 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Coupe. This is a survivor car. This car's got 27,000 actual miles on it. Nicely documented with all the original window sticker, owner's manuals, even the application for the CB radio. So again, the car is a survivor from what we can tell. I have not seen any signs of any sort of paint work on the car or repaint. This thing is as original as can be. This came out of a Cadillac collection that we acquired, and this one by far is certainly one of the nicest ones in the group. In fact, here's a copy of the window sticker. I'll let you guys take a look at that real quick. There's still pictures of this car on our website also at uniqueclassiccars.com. This car was absolutely loaded. As you can see, it was over $15,000 in 1978. That was a lot of money. This was the last year for this big body style, and this one went out with a bang. Look at the equipment. Power passenger seat, factory 8-track player, CB player, cruise control, automatic dimming lights, trunk release, power door locks, and the list goes on and on. So you'll be able to see pictures of that as we go on. But again, this car is, from what we can see, about as original as it can be and is in excellent condition. There's one or two spots where I saw a little bit of touch-up paint, and that's about it, guys. Otherwise, what you see is what you get with this car. We'll get to the inside. The seats are, of course, amazing. There we go. No rust issues on the car. Turn the buzzer off there. Here we go. You can see there's the door jamb. Everything's nice and solid on it. And look at these seats. The leather is in fantastic shape. It literally still has the Cadillac new car smell from this era, and anyone that's a Cadillac fan of this era, you know exactly what I'm talking about. There you go. You can see the back seat. Also very, very nice. The leather is super soft. Headliner's in excellent shape, no issues there. 27,000 miles on the car. And as I mentioned, this car comes with a ton of documentation. All the original paperwork is there. Owner's manual, warranty book, all of that is there. Let me hop in and we'll start it up here quick. And you can see even the fasten belts, the clock is still working as it should. No lights. Look at the dash, by the way. No cracks or anything like that. Get her to kick down a little bit. There we go. All right, bear with me. We'll get the hood open up here. This car is powered by its original 425 V8 engine. Air conditioning, of course, power steering, power brakes. And again, this is an unrestored car, what you're looking at here. So, as I mentioned before, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are considered, and financing is indeed available as well.